I'm stuck again on the wrong side of the doors because my ticket doesn't work. So Chess is buying me a new one. It's so sad. Why does it always happen to me? It's been such an embarrassing day. I fell down the stairs. I spilled food everywhere when we were with Gayong. And my train ticket isn't working. I don't like today. It's really embarrassing. Yes, 도와주세요. I'll show you what happens later. Apparently, I haven't even used it yet. I hate my life. I don't even know if this is gonna work as well because I'm buying it from the wrong side of the train ticket thing. So I really hope it works. 어떡해. Please work. Alright, you hold that one, just because I'm gonna get lost. I'm gonna get. Please, please, Jesus, let me out. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Okay, everyone's. Okay, you go first. Please work, please work, please work. What do I do? Just help me. I wanna get out.